Wow, congrats. Congrats on you taking this massive action to bring the Affiliate Freedom Funnel into your ClickFunnels account. I'm so excited for you. Oh, wow. It's super important that you watch all the videos in the following pages and steps to do the setup. In this system, you will be shown how you can make affiliate commissions from multiple marketing software tools and training. Some pay commissions every single month, recurring, and some are one-time commissions. More commissions can also be made with email follow-up list that we're going to show you how to set it up and build. The email, after you capture your email list and you have this email list for life, nobody can take it away from you. There are about 5 to 8 different affiliate programs that are in this free funnel that you can make commissions with. In order to get the funnel to work, this goes to making all the parts work together. You need to set it up, and then you need to send traffic. We're gonna show you how to set up the funnel, how to get your domain set so that it's yours, how to grab your affiliate links from various places, and how to drive traffic. You say, what's the catch? You're gonna give me all of this? But what's the catch? Well, we're giving you the funnel, the templates, the email copy, the exact training system, telling us which offers to promote, etc., and how to drive traffic. So what is the catch? Well, here's the problem. Most people give up too soon. They don't follow through with a complete setup, or they get stuck because when they find out they have to pay for a domain, which you may not have to. There's other ways to do it in there, but that's an example. If you get caught the first time they're asked to put out some money, a little bit, they get confused. It's not free, but it does take work and takes commitment and time. They get scared in the tech because the tech is new to them. I mean, the setup of the funnel is probably new. Never seen anything like it before. Well, that's fine, except we can provide the training to get through that, or you can be innovative and go into YouTube and probably find a video that will explain to you exactly what you're looking for. They procrastinate, and they also procrastinate, and instead of getting the funnel together, they get lazy when it comes to sending traffic. Wow. I don't want that for you. I don't want that for you at all. Most people don't make money online excuse me, because they're too easily they give up too easily and don't finish the work. This is not a school. You don't have teachers or parents or anyone that can make you do the work. You need to be your own motivator when it comes to getting your work done. We also have a Facebook group which you should join, and this will immerse you with people that are struggling with the same things you are, and it can help you through virtually any kind of problem. And focus. Don't make excuses. Focus on where you're going. Don't take too long either, so you can burst through super fast. Focus on sending a lot of traffic, and your new Affiliate Freedom Funnel will shine for you. So I have personally tried many things, including Amazon, fulfilled by Amazon, drop shipping high-ticket items, drop shipping ordinary items, drop shipping print-on-demand type apparel, all kinds of things like this. And the affiliate marketing is probably the easiest and the most immediately productive way of making any money online. So I just ask that you watch all the videos in the following steps, do what it says, and I'm going to let most of these videos are from my friend and mentor Rachel S. Lee, and she is the 2 Comma Club winner, which means she has had one funnel. One of her funnels, I think it was a product funnel, that actually made over $1 million through that funnel of revenue. So she knows what she's doing. She can teach us. She can teach you. She's teaching me. So I would leave you with that, and enjoy the setup. If you really have problems, don't hesitate to email, call, do something, ask, post into the Facebook group or whatever to get some answers. So thank you very much for listening. See you in another video.